Welcome, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 on YouTube without creating videos and for 2021 and beyond. So look, if you're new to the channel, I appreciate if you'd go here and subscribe. It helps me out, helps the algorithm, and what it will get you notified every time I post a video. So just go over here and subscribe, and you'll get updates every time I post a video. And as I say, it helps the algorithm, helps other people get to see the video, and helps me too. All right, so let's move on. So I've just done a search for Amazon gadgets, and you can do similar searches. You might put top 10 gadgets. Have a look through and just become creative. Now here, if you look at this video here has done 565,000 views in 6 months, and they didn't even make the video. 14 coolest Amazon gadgets. Now what they're doing is they're monetizing it in a couple of ways, but what they're doing is they're taking commercial videos from the manufacturers and from different places, and in a moment I'll show you where to get all those and how you can do this, and it's quite legitimate. You can do this, and they're putting them together and then monetizing it. If you have a look here, here's another search here for the fastest trains. Look at this, 2 years old, 13 million views. Here's another one, top 15 fastest speed trains, 3.9 million views in 10 months. Let's just have a look. So I've turned the audio down so I don't get any copyright strikes. And I'll show you how you can edit these, how you can get free software to do all this. You don't have to be that techie to do it either. So they haven't made these train videos. What they've done, they've gone and done some research and looked for fast trains, and then these are promotional videos of, if you go and have a look, I think this is in the UK, and there's fast trains in China, all over the place, and they've just taken these videos, spliced them together, and come up with the top 10 fastest trains. And it's really entertaining, and they're really great quality train videos as well. They're what we call 4K, and you wouldn't be able to go out and make these videos. And then what you can do is you can put audio, you can put music over it, royalty-free music, and I'll show you where to get all that too. So here we are back at this one here, Amazon gadgets. Let's just click on the first one. 556,000 views. Why would you do this? So you can just see here they're going through some of the Amazon gadgets. Now, where do you get these videos? Well, you can do a search on YouTube for a start. So they splice these videos together. I'll show you some software that you can do that with shortly. And then they're just doing voiceover, and you can do voiceover with this software as well. And then they're uploading these videos to YouTube, and they're making money out of in more than one way. See, look, they have 184,000 subscribers, and the video got 566,000 views. If we have a look at their channel here, and you see they've got all sorts of 12 coolest gadgets that are worth buying, 12 coolest gadgets that are worth buying again. That obviously that title works because they've reused it numerous times, and they've got these high quality videos, put them together and uploaded them to YouTube. Now I'll show you another way that they're monetizing. If you have a look here, they've gone to YouTube, they've gone to Amazon, and they've got these products, and they've gone over to Amazon and signed up as an affiliate, Amazon Associates, and all these are Amazon. Well, maybe not all Amazon, but they're products that they're affiliates for, some with Amazon and some perhaps elsewhere. And if anyone buys these, and with Amazon, if someone goes to Amazon and anything they buy after visiting your link in the next 24 hours, you'll get paid a commission on. Now, the commission rates are anywhere from 1% to 10%. Pretty straightforward. You just go here to affiliate-program.amazon.com, or you can type in associates.amazon.com. As you can see, you sign up. I think you may need a website. If that's the case, put in a YouTube. I don't know how well they check it. Put in your YouTube channel or a Facebook group. And then you recommend the product, and then when it sells, you can earn up to 10%. Now, Amazon recently cut a lot of their commissions by half. So go through here, straightforward, go and sign up. You can do that. I won't bother going through that. So how do you get the content to use in your voiceover when you're reading it on the video? And here is one of the products that you can see. And here, if you go to YouTube, or you go to Amazon, here's the video. There's 3 videos there you can download. So what do? You go here, you have a look at the description. You might write down the description, and then you just read the description over the video. As the video is playing, you pick out some of this and read it to tell the viewers what it's about. Plain and simple. Now, you can do a search on YouTube as well for these videos. And even if you look for computers and things like that, I would look for high-priced items, though, something that's up $1,000, $2,000, MacBook Pros, those sorts of things. Because the commission rate is not that great, you don't want to get commission on a $50 product that pays you 2%. It's not going to be much. So how do you download these videos? If you go to this website called Y2, the letter Y and the number 2, mate.com, all you do then is you go back here, you get the video link, which is there. Come back, you put it in here, and you click on download, or you click on start, and it'll download it to your computer. But when you're looking for videos, have a look and make sure, so these videos here that are in here are only for 720p. When I say they're 400, that's the frame, that's the quality of the video. And you'll see the difference between these videos that are 144 or 240 frames per second compared to 4K. All right, so then, so you download these videos. That's how you get the content to use for the voiceover. And look, I don't do this method anymore, but if you've got very little money and you've got some time, and you can, go and download videos and go and do a bit of research, copy the content down, and then you can record your voice over the top of them. And look, if you've got poor English, pay someone to do it. Go to somewhere like Fiverr and get somebody to narrate it for you if your English is really poor. And then I'll show you how we're going to put all that together. So with 500,000 views, they would be earning about $5,000 in Google or YouTube revenue from advertisements. And that's only, one part of it. As I say, we go to monetize it with the affiliate products, and you'll make more out of that. And I'm going to show you towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I do affiliate marketing, because you can make much more money than what you can with Amazon. Who's to say, like Amazon overnight cut their commissions by half? Who's to say, they've had such massive growth that they might decide they don't need affiliates and shut the affiliate program down. And then if everything you've got is monetized to Amazon, all of a sudden you've got no business. So I'm going to show you how I do affiliate marketing and how you can make much bigger commissions than this, $500, $1,000, $2,000 commissions. Would that interest you? So you can see I've just put the link off the fast train in here. And all you do with this program, Y2 Mate, is then you just click on download. Sorry, I'm getting some... Obviously, they get free pop-ups here. If you've seen anything popping up here looking like dating sites or something, that's where it's coming from. I didn't even notice that before. So I'll delete them out of the video, but I may miss the odd one because I'm not looking in the corner all the time. So that's how you do it. You put the link in there like that. It then click on start, then it shows you, and you just download it to your computer. And here's another, there's many of these luxury car compilations, and they're all made from the manufacturer's promotional videos. And there's some weird and wonderful things, and they monetize them. This has had something like 6 million views, this one. Now, don't be overly concerned if your YouTube channel doesn't have a lot of subscribers, because when you go into the analytics of a YouTube channel, you'll find you can look at the views, and the majority of views come from people that are not subscribers. So it don't let it worry you that you don't have, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. It's the content people are looking for. Some people will subscribe and some people will never subscribe. But when you're able to monetize it, because what you make out of the AdSense with the video ads is not much compared to what you can make out of the content of the products that you put in your description. Still trying to find a video. Here we go for MacBook Pro. Just look in YouTube. I typed in MacBook Pro ads, and if you go here, you have a look, you'll get great quality videos from the manufacturer that you can use. And they're not going to bother too much. They've made these to be able to sell computers or whatever product it is. You're using these videos to actually get sales, which is what they want. 99% of the time, they're not going to bother about this. So you've got your videos, and I told you I'd show you how you're going to put all that together. Go over here to this website called Openshot.org. This is your video editing software, and it's really, you've got your video, you upload to this software, then you're able to drag them, as you can see. You can edit them, you can put pieces in, you can take pieces out. This is where you can also do your voiceover as well. Now, I'm not going to go into depth with this. It's free software, fully functional. Do a YouTube search for a tutorial, and the tutorial is longer than what, I would take too long in this video. So just do a search on YouTube for Openshot tutorial, and you'll get, and often the people that make these tutorials, they're easier to understand than what the manufacturers that makes a tutorial. People that are actually using it, rather than engineers that have created it, people that are using the software make better practical tutorial videos on how to understand it. So go and download it, openshot.org. One thing I will mention, in the software, you can go to the audio or the sound effects, and what I would do, because if there's music on there, you don't want to take a chance of getting copyright strike or using music that you're not supposed to use. And because you want to monetize the video, sometimes you might get a copyright strike, but all they do is stop you monetizing or whatever's made off that video. They take it because they've got, they own the rights to the audio. So inside of Openshot, you can strip out all the audio, and then I'll show you where you can get music and that in a moment, because you're going to put you're going to read your content around the different videos, around the different products in this software. So I told you I would tell you where you can get music from. You just go up here into the YouTube apps, click on that square, and YouTube Music, and it's royalty free. You're not going to get pinged with it, but you'll do it from inside when you're uploading in the YouTube studio. That's how you can make $5,000 on YouTube without creating videos in 2021. Now, I told you if you waited till the end, I would show you how to learn how to make $1,000, $500, $2,000 per sale. And I actually help train and show people how I've done it, how you can make a full-time living online. And I use affiliate marketing with digital products, and they pay 50% commission, 100% commission. There's some links in the description below that'll lead you to some of that training, some free training. And look, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of future videos. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. If you've got comments or questions, or you'd like me to make a video about anything in particular, also leave that in the comment section below. I always answer them, and I'll do my best to make a video on something that you want. Now, as a bonus for staying till the end of this video, I've got some free landing page software, and that's where you collect people's email addresses. It's a smart way to build an affiliate marketing business. It's where you collect people's email addresses, and it allows you to email them over and over again, giving them more information about the product, and then sometime in the future you can email them with other offers. So if you just want to click in the link here in the top left, sorry, not in the link, but if you're going to click on the thumbnail in the top left-hand corner of the screen, it'll say free lifetime access. Click on that link, on that thumbnail, and then it'll take you to another video in the description below. Click on that link and you'll be able to get this software for free. Software like this normally sells from anywhere from $97 a month up to $350 recurring per month. So click on it, get it. You don't even need a credit card to get the free software. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.